Dear students and friends, welcome to the engineering graphics class. Today in the development of surfaces, I will explain how to draw the square pyramid. Okay. First go through the question. A square pyramid of base height 25 mm and altitude 50 mm rests on its base on the HP with the two sides of the base parallel to VP. It is cut by a plane bisecting the axis of the pyramid and inclined at 30 degree to HP. The development of the lateral surface of the lower portion of the cut pyramid. Okay. Here the question is given as square. Condition given as two of its base parallel to VP. So AD and BC are parallel to the VP. Okay. First of all, draw the square and mark as ABCD. Okay. Since it is a pyramid, we have to show in the HB pencil. Okay. From A to C, draw the diagonal, and from B to D, draw a diagonal, and you have to change it to HB pencil because it is a triangular face. There are four triangular faces in the square pyramid. Okay, AOB, BOC, OCD, and ODA. Okay, there are four triangular faces in the square pyramid. Okay, from A, draw a vertical line up to the reference line and mark as B dash of A dash. From C, draw a vertical line and mark as C dash of A dash. C dash of D dash. Okay. From the center point go, draw a vertical line up to this reference. எல்லாமே reference line வரைக்கும் தான் நீங்க வரையணும். Okay. These lines are called as projection lines. Therefore, I have shown in a 2H pencil. 2H pencil, you have to draw a very thin line. Okay. Why it is a very thin line? Because these lines are imaginary lines. These lines are called as imaginary lines. Okay. From C dash, because C from the center point, the height, draw a vertical line and mark as O dash. Okay, the height of the pyramid is 50 mm. Okay, from O dash, join O dash to B dash and O dash to C dash is in scale. Okay, so complete this triangle. Okay. Now, since this slant edge is inclined, we have to make it a parallel to VP. Therefore, from OC as radius, O as center, draw a arc. The arc intersect the horizontal line at C1. So, எல்லா triangle faces inclined இருக்கு. So, எல்லா slant edgeம் inclined இருக்கு. So, slant edge வந்து parallel மாத்தணும்னா, okay, OCS radius, measure OCS radius in the compass, O as center, draw a arc வரைங்க. The arc வந்து C1 ல intersect ஆகும். Okay, from C1 draw a vertical line up to the reference line and mark as C1 dash. Therefore, O dash C1 dash equal to true slant length. Okay, O dash C1 dash equal to true slant length, that is equal to 31.1558 mm. Okay, now you have to, since it is a inclined one, you have to make it parallel. Therefore, extend this one dash to the new slant length. Okay, extend this horizontal line to the new slant length and mark as 1 double dash. Okay, similarly 2 dash, extend this horizontal line to the new slant length and mark as 2 double dash. Okay, now in the development of the next step, so mark a point O and draw a inclined line. The inclined line length equal to 31.1558. At any angle, ஏதோ ஒரு angle draw a inclined line OB. Okay, that is equal to 31.1558. That is distance equal to the radius O dash C1 dash. The O dash C1 radius தான் இந்த OB ஓட length. Okay, the மேலே எழுதிருக்கேன். Radius equal to true length of the slant edge. Okay, now OB as radius and draw a arc. OB as radius, O as center, draw a arc. Or arc ஆட்ட வரீங்க. Since the side is given as 25 mm, by measuring 25 mm in the compass, 25 compass to 25 mm measure பண்ணுங்க. From B as center, cut an arc at C. From C as center, cut an arc at D. From D as center, cut an arc and mark as A. From A as center, cut an arc and mark as B. Okay. So mark as B, B, C, D, A, B. Okay. So if B is visible, the number is 1. Therefore, here C is visible, the number is 2. D is equal to 3 and A equal to 4. Okay. So எது bracket வெளியில இருக்கோ that is visible edges. Bracket உள்ள இருக்கிறது invisible edges. If A is invisible edges, the number is 4. If C is visible edges, the number is 2. If D is invisible, the number is 3. Okay. So by using compass, O dash 1 1 dash as radius, O as center, cut an arc OB line at 1. Okay. So O dash 1 1 dash as radius, O as center, cut an arc OB. ஏன்னா OB தான் first number 1. So OB line at 1. Similarly, say 1 and 4 are the same line only. Okay. Therefore, cut an arc at OA at 4. OA and 4 cut பண்ணுங்க, mark as 4. Similarly, starts at B and end at B. Similarly, O as center, cut an arc and mark as 1. So 1 4 1 you complete in a single step. 1 4 1 வந்து ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல same radius, because 1 and 4 in the same radius only. Okay, so 1 and 4 in same radius since it starts at B and you have to end at B. Okay, similarly O dash 2 double dash as radius, O as center, cut an arc OC at 2 and OD at 3. So D ku 3, here OD at 3. Okay, so join 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1 by using scale pencil. And also 1 B, B to A to D, D to C and C to B and B to 1. Change it to HP pencil. Okay. Finally, you have to mark the height of the pyramid equal to 50 mm. Here bisecting means 25 mm, side equal to 25. Okay, and you have to write all dimension mm, scale 1:1. Okay. Thank you for watching engineering graphics class. We will meet once again in the next EG class. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and you will get regular updates in the engineering graphics class. Okay.